Hello.
Hello, 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 hello. This
We're
is the
making-
third attempt now
Yes.
at doing narration for this. We need some software desperately because it's glitching out.
Adobe 12 is driving me insane when it comes to narrating. We've narrated this 3 times, and 3 times the sound wasn't there after. Anyway, we're making Rose Bouquet soap,
Rose Bouquet.
and I'm whizzy, let's get busying the lye water into the oils.
We had so many good topics we were talking about in the last 3 narrations.
Now we
We've
can't remember
completely
any of them.
forgot.
Can't remember a damn thing.
Anyway, we have to persevere with it. And there's that damn mosquito trying to get in again.
Well, he can go screw off because he ain't getting in.
So here we are with the Rose Bouquet.
Lovely fragrance. There's only 4 bars left actually by the time you're seeing this video at fruitsofaloon.com.
We don't like to bang on about this like a lot of people, but
No.
you know, it does really help to get the supplies and help to do this creative artisan soap.
Oh, you mean when it makes sales?
Yeah, when it makes sales. You know, so feel free to try a few bars. We greatly appreciate it.
Yes, and you get a free rubber ducky in every package. Look, there's Nurture Soap Trial by Fire, Yellow Bee, Blushed Pink, and Coral Sparkler. We're going to see how those 2 colors do. I know the Nurture Soap Trial by Fire Red is going to stay true. But this is the first time trying the Yellow Bee micas. So, Coral Sparkler on the left and Blushed Pink on the right. Let's see how those do. This is going to be for piping. These little cups are for piping.
So they're being prepped now for later on.
I do not put fragrance in my piping, and you're about to find out why. And I'm glad I don't, because things can go a little crazy, cray.
And you have to experiment in this, you know.
Yes. So in the time that we could have narrated 6 videos, we're only on number 2.
Yeah, so it's rather annoying, but we'll carry on.
Carry on, my wayward son. I've got a lot of songs stuck in my head today. I don't know why.
Anyway, we've got a nice supper to look forward to.
What are we having?
A nice Mediterranean salado with salad with Parmesan cheese and all loads of goodies in it, with some lovely seafood and a seafood sauce that was homemade.
Oh, yummy. With horseradish?
Yes, we may throw some crispy spring rolls in if we're hungry enough.
Oh, we still have spring rolls.
Yeah.
I forgot about those.
Anyway, this is the bionic woman part.
Yes. I wish I was the bionic woman. That I am not.
So hopefully this narration will work.
Well, it will. We're using Audacity to record it.
And there's Rose
Here's the
Bouquet.
fragrance. It smells just like fresh cut roses. I'm serious. It's like so good.
So yeah.
But it does a number on the soap batter. Just watch and you shall see. But that sounds like a healthy supper. That's going to allow me to eat about 15 cookies tonight.
Well, I can eat what I like.
And gain another 5 pounds. I know. You never gain weight. You never gain weight.
I do
eat
gain
whatever.
it.
No, you don't.
I have a cake shelf, and if I'm not careful, it'll turn into a balcony.
A veranda?
And then maybe a veranda.
Well, I'm just sort of plump all over. Ever since never mind. Ever since the lockdown, I've...
Well, like we said before, you know, it doesn't work walking around
I've
the block
outgrown my
once when you're
clothes,
eating
actually.
cookies
I've
and
outgrown my clothes, and Doug
chips.
Ford said I can't buy any. So, I've been in my pajamas for God knows how long. Anyways.
We're coming out of it slowly, so hopefully we can start to get a bit of normal back.
Yeah, right. I don't remember what normal is. I really
That's
don't.
a lovely beige pink cream.
Now, that was supposed to be a drop swirl. Things are getting thick really fast.
And
That's because... Why? Do you know why?
Because it reacts with the fragrance oil.
Yeah, the florals. Yeah. They accelerate things. There's my shovel. So
never throw it away.
shovel
Persevere.
swirl coming up.
Over and under. That's what it is.
Oh my god, if that doesn't look like some kind of ice cream with hot cherry,
That's right.
strawberry something sauce on top, I don't know what does. But things get even crazier in a minute.
At this point, you might be thinking, oh, I'm going to
Look at
toss it. Well, no.
Look at that.
It's like blancmange.
That's some kind of acceleration right there. But don't give up. Work through your hot flash and squish it, slap it, spank it, get it in there. Don't give up. And you'll see why.
You can't waste things. You just got to keep trying it before you toss it in the garbage.
Oh, no garbage, no. We don't waste soap.
And that even looks even more like a dessert, doesn't it?
I don't know.
I
Well,
think so.
you know what? The bottom part looks like cheesecake with cherries.
Yeah,
Doesn't it?
it does.
Oh, I had a question to ask everybody. What was it? I can't remember now.
Oh, is it about the program?
Oh, hey, you guys. Okay. I need a new video editing software that allows for narration. Has to be affordable. So in the comment section, if you want to, because a lot of you are soapers as well, I noticed. If you want to leave me a suggestion, I would really appreciate it.
Because this one is about at its day now.
I think so. It's time for it to retire off of my computer and never bother me again. Look at me just smushing that all in there. Gotta do what you gotta do.
And it's still looking like a
Look at this.
potential flop, isn't it? Oh, there's your
Look at this.
fingernail.
No, come on. Don't be gross. I've got gloves on.
It could
Don't
be a
worry.
plastic fingernail, couldn't it? That's what I mean.
No, I don't have plastic fingernails. That is very thick soap. Yep. So that is why it's a good thing I don't put fragrance in my piping. I would have been piping before the soap was in the loaf. Crazy.
See how she's working it in the corners and getting it all even.
Yeah, because I'm trying not to get air bubbles. And I'm a little worried at this point when I'm making it, but you know, even if it's unsellable in the end, somebody will want some because family, friends.
Yeah, the shepherd's pie method now. Just
I'm
to get
using
it
a
even.
fork, right, to make some texture, and I'm putting a bit of my piping batter on because I want to make sure the piping's going to stick at this point.
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah. It sort of saved the day, that extra piping batter. And then boy, did I have extra piping batter. We're talking like 18 dozen roses are going to go on top of this.
There we go. The piping.
Yes, the part that makes us hungry. every
Peter
single
Piper picked a
frickin'
peck
time.
of pickled piping.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled piping?
Yeah,
Something
kinda
like that.
works.
See, that blushed pink is turning a little beige.
Looks still like terracotta or cerise.
Hey,
as
wait
well.
a minute now. I thought the blushed pink from Yellow Bee turned beige because of the fragrance, but actually, I don't put fragrance in my piping.
Oh, that's strange. That must have been a temperature issue then.
No, that's a mica issue. I'm sorry, Yellow Bee, but I just realized the blushed pink turns beige.
So it's a
And,
mica
I mean,
problem.
I used quite a bit of it. I didn't underuse it. So this piping is unscented, and you'll see in a minute what
That'll give you
happens
the
to the
creamy
blushed pink.
lather. It'll give you the creamy lather, won't it,
But
Joe?
let's first make those roses a little shimmery. Just a little bit. Okay, so there's the, I want to say that's the coral sparkler. Yes, it is. I don't know if that, it does look like coral. That color let's just say they both change. The Coral Sparkler and the Blush Pink both change. I like what the Coral Sparkler does because that's the blushed pink. It's now beige. No fragrance in it.
And now we're going to have lots and lots of roses.
Perfect test for that color. Yeah, I had so much piping, I didn't even know what to do. I was just piles and piles of roses everywhere and little dollops, and I was like, what am I doing? How did I end up with so much piping?
I know. Oh, I just got George here.
Sometimes what looks really weird in the loaf looks pretty cool when you take it out. And it smells great, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
Sparkles.
Sparkle time. We all love the sparkles. Shimmer shammer. Shimmer 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 shammer.
What am I doing there? Get on with the sparkles. Oh, there they are. Okay. Let's see how much this color changes when it cures overnight.
This is why I must always persevere. Because overall, it works. Look at that lovely glimmer. Shimmer.
It's like a glimmer of hope. The glimmer of hope.
Yes, we don't like waste because it's expensive, you see, and you know, I was salvaged today.
Look at the blushed pink roses. They are beige.
Yeah.
And the Coral Sparkler is now pink. Isn't that strange? No fragrance, so it was a good test. Sorry, Yellow Bee.
And here we go, slicey time.
But I tell the truth. And look at that. All that smushing I did at the top, it worked. No bubbles.
It's a nice pattern.
Couple
Uniform
of air
pattern.
pockets in the piping, but not in the loaf.
Weird. But that adds a bit of character, I think.
Yeah, it's all good.
Rustic, you know, nothing's perfect, is it?
It's actually my best-selling soap right now, I think.
There's a few bars left, so if you want to support the channel, grab yourself a few bars and we'll be most appreciative.
Yes, at fruitsofaloon.com. I am the Canadian loon that makes the fruits, so to speak.
Soap.
You know, the fruits of my labor.
That's right.
It's not really a labor because I love doing it, but... And I am a loon, and the loon is Canada's bird, right?
Yep, that's right. And it's also a coin.
It's our coin, the loonie. That
Loon
bar's a little
and the
lopsided,
tuna.
but anyway. Yeah, if you have not subscribed and you like listening to idiots babble about absolutely nothing important,
Ping the bell.
there's a big red button there that says subscribe on it. You can click on that and you can ring my ring my bell
Yes.
to put notifications on, because sometimes they actually work.
That's right.
There
Look
it is.
at that. Superb.
Very pretty. I like it.
Turned out excellent.
Oh, and the rubber ducky.
Ping the bell.
We love the rubber ducky. Bye, bye, bye. Cherry
Bye,
pie.
bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye.